Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Google Photos and confirming you're in the right account. This avoids accidental changes to another device. Next, tap your profile, go to Photos Settings, then Backup and Sync. That section controls device file behavior. Once there, turn off the Free Up Space option. This stops photos from deleting local copies after backup. Make sure to read the confirmation dialog, because it explains whether only backed up items or all device copies are affected. Once Free Up Space is off, you should manage folder-level sync. In Google Photos, open Backup and Sync Backup Device folders. Disable any folders you want to keep local. You do this because Photos may still remove images if only certain folders are managed. Next, inspect your phone's storage settings and cache data behavior so system cleanup tools don't remove photos. Finally, open your device gallery to confirm that local originals are present and unchanged after. To finish, decide whether you want cloud-only backups. If you do, keep Free Up Space disabled and rely on manual deletion instead. Make sure backup is complete before removing anything, and verify the Google account listed in Photos matches your cloud library. If photos disappear, check the app's sync history and recently deleted folder immediately, because items are recoverable for a limited time. If problems persist, reinstall Google Photos or restore from a local backup to recover originals and prevent future loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.